must work out. Want to look like Bob Denver. Gilligan! I've sent off for my official Gilligan hat. It shall arrive shortly.
Yeah, rock and roll.
I can't concentrate with all this noise. These kids today with their rock and roll music. I am tired of your music. I am trying to work out. I will break your guitar if you play any louder.
Hey, rock and roll never hurt anybody. I'm just jamming. Listen.
Don't make me punch you in the snot locker.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what. I'll try to turn my guitar down, then we can both.
If I hear any more music, I will come down here and destroy you.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I'll show him loud.
Adrian! Eggs, please.
This is the way you play rock and roll.
That noise is driving me insane! I told him once, stop it! He sounds like a guitar. If I've told you once, I've told you 1,000 times. No rock and roll!
Hey, I'll tell you, these Chinese throwing picks.
You couldn't even pick my nose, young whelp. Now I must show you the fury of a head grab.
Hey, let me go! Hey!
I'll not let go of your ego.
Oh!
Catch me if you can.
Yeah, well, there he is. Hulk Hogan never saw anything like this.
I prefer my salad in a bowl.
Don't mess with me.
Get ready for a drop kick. Boot to the head.
Uh-oh.
Okay, make up your mind. Which way are you going? Come on.
Hey,
Missed him.
I'm going inside. Ooh, look out.
Hello, Avon calling. Candygram.
Ooh, ow. Oh, look, a gun.
He pulled a bang stick.
It's out on juice.
This is just like Starsky and Hutch. Haven't you heard of the Brady Bill? There's a 5-day waiting period.
Huh? Well, what?
On my knee.
Ow. Hey, what?
Remember, kids, when hands are outlawed, only outlaws will have hands.
I'll never try. Now, I guess I know what Nirvana went through.